Yesterday night, after everything done finish, I notice say my wife Toto dey smell.
Ha! Baba John,
I no dey lie. I tell you, the smell nearly make me sleep for parlor.
Baba John, you dey talk about your wife like this outside?
Do you like that video? I will be teaching you step by step on how I created that video using a free AI tools. Yes, a free AI tools. You're not going to pay a dime when creating that video. So let's go. So we'll be using ChatGPT to create the story first. Then we'll go to ChatGPT, then you create your story. Search ChatGPT everything you want to create. So let's start from here. So create me a story about a man, blah 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 blah. Then you write all the story you want, write everything, how you want your episode to be, then boom. This is our story. Then ChatGPT help us create it out. So this is it. So this is the main characters prompt. So this is the main characters prompts. See, so these are all the characters in this story. So we will now go and check the scenes out. So the scenes. So we're gonna check these scenes. This is the character. So now we'll be creating the image, and I will be using the same ChatGPT to create the image. So I will copy this character now and go to the same app that I'm using, which is ChatGPT, to create the image. So I'm copying it and I'm going to a new chat to create the image. Then I'll paste it. So I like my character's image on white background. So I will now write posing in a white studio background so that the character will be standing in a white studio background. So that's how I like my own characters to be. So you can do your own anyhow you want it. So paste. So this is the image. This is in realistic, not 3D. 3D is like cartoon. So this one is realistic. So I like it like the Mama John. And this is the Mama John. I'll save it. So this is the Baba Okoro and others. So we'll now go back to the story. Then we will now copy the image scene and the scene 1 image prompt. So make sure you read the image prompt very well. ChatGPT is an AI, not a human being. It can make mistakes. So after copying, go back to where the chat you are creating your image. You can use any other apps. You can use Gemini. You can use other apps. So I'm using ChatGPT. So I'm trying to show you the image prompt well. Then I want to write, because I want it to be cinematic, so I'll write it out. Then I want to write, pick all the characters out. In the image from there is Baba Okoro, Baba John, Uncle Emeka. So I bring them out as reference. If you want to change their clothes, you can change it. If you have any clothes that if you have any clothes that you see that you want your characters to wear, you can bring that as reference too. So these are the characters reference. Then so I'm trying to change those things. Then boom, we are waiting. Then boom, this is it. So this is the image. This is the image. This is the image that I created, and I'll save it to my phone gallery. Yep. So if I want to create any other scene too, I'll do the same thing. If you want to create any other scene too, you do the same thing. That's how you will do it till your scene will finish. So now let's go to the web that we are going to use, which is the tools that we are going to use to create the video. So we'll change the image to video. Google Flow. So you go to your Chrome or your Safari, any other web, then you click on Google, you type Google Flow AI to bring this. You register with your email, then because I have registered before, so this is it. So make sure you click on this plus sign, so make sure it is on video. Make sure if you are using 9:16, make sure it is in 9:16. If your image is in 16:9, make sure it's in 16:9, and make sure this thing is in 10 seconds and ×1, because if you put it in ×2, it will bring 2 videos for you, and you'll be limiting your credit will be going. So make sure it is in ×1, so just one image, one video. So you click on that plus sign up there to bring out your image. This is it. Then boom, this is the image. Then now turn the image to you click on the image to bring this thing up, then tap the add prompt. So this is it. Then here you go back to ChatGPT. To copy your scene, your dialogue. Then you copy it. You copy the one that you make sure that this one it will reach 10 seconds. Then you copy it and go back to the Google Flow AI web. You paste it. As for me, this is how I used to do my thing. If I paste any prompt on any video creator or video generator, I make sure that I write out what the character is doing, so that the AI will not make any mistake when giving me the video. I don't want any mistake when the AI is making the video for me. So I make sure I write out what Baba John now. I write it that he is wearing man on white clothes, so that AI will know that okay, this is the particular man that is talking, not the one on brown or cream color clothes. So I make sure I write it out like that, and make sure you had Nigerian accent, so that it will not bring out the American accent. Although my dialogue is in pidgin, so I don't think I need it, but you can add it. And I write, please do not change the clothes, because Google AI is somehow. So please do not change the clothes or anything in the image or video, so that it will bring exact thing that is inside the image for you. So let's wait for the results. So while waiting, you can go to do any other thing that you want to do, and wait for the video to record, to generate. So make sure you read your story well, so that you know if ChatGPT make a mistake or not. Read it well. So this is the next scene that I'm going to make. The next scene. So make sure the dialogue you are copying will occupy a 10 seconds video. Don't make that mistake, please. Still waiting. So because the video is still loading. Oh, boom! This is the video. This is the video.
Yesterday night, after everything done
Very
finish,
clean.
I noticed say my wife
If you want to download it, you click on that download
Yesterday
option
night, after
at the
everything done
top.
finish, I
You
noticed say my wife
download
to the
it
smell.
from there.
Ha!
That's what you're
Baba
going to
John.
download.
Yesterday,
So I went to my gallery to show you so that you know that it was downloaded. So this is it.
yesterday
Downloaded
night, after everything
on
done
my
finish, I
gallery.
noticed say my wife.
So that's how you are going to do it scene by scene till you finish your story or your episode. It's totally free. If you reach limit on one email, you can change. If you have many emails, you can change it to another email and continue your story. You don't have problem. Thank you for watching. If you find this my video interesting or you get value from it, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.